Hi everyone and welcome. In this home practice session, we're going to explore Upavistha Konasana and also we're going to move into Utthita Parsva Upavistha Konasana. In this variation, we're going to use two belts. Okay, let's begin. So first, separate the heels. Take your legs wide and check that your heels are in line with one another. Then you can take your belts and you can wrap each arch. Then hold as close as you can to the foot with your belts and start to pull back until the spine is straight. Now have a look at the feet. You want to press through big toe mounds and inner heel so that the inner line of the leg starts to work a little bit more. Press the thighs down and feel the sit bones. So you want to ground down on the center of the sit bones. As you pull back on the belt, you'll feel that the arms start to inject into the shoulder sockets, and feel how that then allows you to move the shoulder blades into the back so that you can get more lift in the chest. Then just close the eyes for a moment here and feel the steadiness and feel the symmetry when you're doing the pose with the two belts in this variation. Perhaps you can experience that. Okay, then open the eyes if you had them closed. And now we're going to move into our Parsva variation. So you're going to take the belt that's on your left foot and place the belt behind your left calf. Take the belt that's on your right foot and place it in front of your right calf. Then swing your right hand around and you're going to feed the belt into your right hand. So ideally you want to try and get your hand as close to the side of your waist as possible. If it's coming towards the spine, that's also fine, but try and get it moving as close to the side of your waist as you can. Then reach with your left hand and hold on to the belt. Then continue to walk down the belt as close to your feet as you can manage, and then come up so that the spine is straight. Then again, feel your sit bones. You want to ground down evenly through both sit bones, and that ensures that your spine is relatively straight. Then press the thighs down, lift up, inhale, lengthen, exhale, begin your turn. So you turn lower abdomen, mid abdomen, and then finally upper chest, and you can look over your right shoulder, shoulders back, chest up. Keep turning. See if you can walk down a little bit further. Keep turning. And then come back to center. Release the belts. And then move the belt that's on your left foot to the inside of your left heel. The belt that's on your right foot to the outside of your right calf. So right calf and left calf. Okay, then reach around with your left hand. Again, see that your fingers are coming towards the waist. Feed the belt into your fingers. Really wrap that arm around as much as you can. Hold onto the opposite belt. Pull back until the spine comes to a straight position. Ground down evenly in both sit bones. Repress the thighs down. Repress your inner heel, big toe mound away. Lift the sides of the chest up, lift the spine up, and now begin to twist. So inhale, lengthen, exhale, turn, lower abdomen, mid abdomen, upper chest. You can look over your left shoulder. Now see if you can walk down the belt a little bit further, and then turn further. Move the shoulder blades into the back, shoulders back, chest forward, turn. Look over your left shoulder if you haven't yet, and then release. You can take your belts off, hold underneath your knees, and you can bring your feet together for a quick Baddha Konasana to release. If you thought that was fun, that is from Eyal Shifroni's books, Props for Yoga, Volume 2, which is focusing on the seated asanas. And he's doing a live online workshop, July 31st to August 3rd. We highly recommend it. He's very creative with the props. So if this does pique your interest, then you'll find some information that's in the video notes section below. And if you are enjoying this content, please do subscribe. You'll continue to get additional updates as we release more content. Happy practicing and namaste.